Hi friends, welcome to another tutorial video of Figma. Today we are going to see how to create a card like this very easily using spreadsheet, using Google spreadsheet. For that I just have created one card here and I made it into a component. I just copied the components here. So this is card 1 and this is card 2. So you will get confused why we need this kind of process. For complicated designs like this, you just not need to copy all the text or the images to Figma. For that you can use Google Spreadsheet and Figma. There is one plugin called Google Spreadsheet Sync. Let's see how this works, so you will get surprised in the end. For that okay, we are just going to back to Figma. I just have created two cards, sorry, and I just have named this image area as hashtag image. Always make sure to use hashtag, so then only Google Spreadsheet can find out the area where we need the content. And for the text I have named it as hashtag text. So we have created two cards like that. Now go to spreadsheet and I have created two columns, text and image. Under the text we'll copy only here one content is there. We'll copy that content. Okay, and we need second content for second card. We'll copy this content also. And one more thing in between, this card actually, like the drop shadow or the card size or the text size, these all are dummy, so don't bother about it. Actually I didn't create complicated designs here, just to make you all understand, because this video is especially for the beginners and also for the people who are looking for this kind of tricks. Okay, so we have copied the text that we needed for the product description. Now we need, let me stretch this. Okay, we need image for the card, so I will copy this image. For that, right click, copy image address, then paste it here, and we need one more image to the second card. Right click, copy image address, then paste it here. So we have got all the contents for our two cards, these two cards. Okay, now we need to click share in Google Spreadsheet. Click share. Just skip this process, you don't need to save the spreadsheet, or else you can save it online. That is the different process, because if you have added more contents, and you are plan to use it later, you have to save it. Now we are looking how to create that link and all things, so just skip the process, and always make sure the link is shareable. Now copy the link, go to Figma, select this frame where we need the contents. So I just have created the frame, and I selected that frame called JC. Okay, now go to the plugin, type Google Sheet. So I already have typed here Google Sheets Sync. Press it and paste the link, paste the spreadsheet link here. So I have pasted the link. You update current page only. Okay, first, so you can see here two text and two images, that is for the two cards of our design. Now click sync. See, the image and the card and like image and the text I have placed right in the cards. This is one of the easiest process. I hope you all understood how to create these cards easily using spreadsheet, using the Google Sheet Sync. This feature will help you to create complicated cards, like if you are creating a e-commerce application like Amazon or some other clothing brand website or mobile applications. You can use this feature, especially this feature I think will be helping those who are creating portfolios. For them, they can create e-commerce website or applications, or the applications which include more cards. They can use this technique. This will help you to design very easily. Okay, see you all in the next video. Thank you.